ask me, now who I go ask? This topic when I want to talk about today, oh, heavy for months. Now who I go ask? Now who I go ask? My people, this topic today now for apology. Now for one of our lady, because he needs our advice. He want go about this. Whether may she forgive this guy or may she not forgive this guy. So my people, just follow me, jejeje. Wanna listen to this ogbonge story when I want to talk about today. So follow me, may we go there together. So this is your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. If you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. My people, so this story when I want to talk about today now for one of our lady, he saying need our advice. He want go about what did happen to her for past. This one a past story. She say if we can defend this guy, everything they go well for them, everything they okay. So they just know each other. Never say the guy can't get one big problem. We be say you can't lose the house, you can't lose everything. He say you can put this guy for us. This guy can't stay with him, my people. So he say the guy can't stay now for some time, but later the guy not can come out. She can't really take care of this guy. They do everything like a boyfriend, you know. So he say have to help him. So they can't help this boy. He say so. They friend each other, everything they go well, and this guy never tell her one day say he get wife. See, this guy not tell her one day. In the evil ask him if he see here for us, they go see ask the boy go say na lie. Nothing like that happen. She go still forget. They can follow this guy like that, you know. Say because in the read they I say not the evil see and say the evil they receive all those women call. So he says, so along the line, she can't get belly for this guy. As he get belly now, the boy say, the belly, that one, it wado. I want to when they ask the boy say, for that one, you know, he never, you don't need them for now. So now she can't tell the boy say, he want born the pikin. He don't want live on. You know, sometimes we women impatient see the worry, or sometimes we be say if the friend guy, you just say if belle just enter, maybe you don't look your age, everything don't they go, you see the mature, you know, you say man just born this pikin, even though this guy then down you don't need them, you know, we women that's what we do. Say so you got to say one born the pikin, so the boy can say la you know, he don't need them. Because of that one, this boy can pack. Come up for the house for this girl. He says so she can't day like that. So the boy can't pack all it is, he can't come out. Say so she can't day with heart broken, you know. So along the line, the belle can they go. The belle don't dey 5 months. Say so one day he can day with one of her friends for that her friend they get salon. He can go greet that her friend. So he can tell that her friend, say, ain't go like me, you follow me go house today because I no want sleep that house alone at all today. So say this her friend can say, no, you get where in they go. You can tell that this her friend say, I beg, follow me. I beg. I don't want just sleep that house alone today at all. Say so this her friend can follow her. As this her friend follow her now, as they reach a house, he say so they can't sleep. And so she see herself rich, my people. He say don't know what it can happen to her again. He don't know what it can even happen again. Now so he can just see herself rich. He said the next thing. He not even know say. So now this her friend now can they tell her what it can happen to her. Now what it can happen. He say so this her friend can tell her say. After she don't wake up for 3 days, she can enter coma. For 3 good days, you don't know what happened to her that night. So is it so that her friend can now that her friend can't tell her when she don't wake up, say Say, you know what you make me pass through. Say, go say, what happen? As he see himself for hospital, then the friend call tell am say, thank God, you just wake up so 3 days, like they stay coma. Say in the night, she want go piss. Now she say the girl is strong for bed. What did they happen? He say water. Person one born and water with the fair boss. Water don't full bed. Everything. They say they can they wake the girl. Say when you start to the piss for body, as she say everywhere though, the girl say don't even they bring white eye come out. They can they say what did they happen? So now so you drag. You can they look for ambulance number when you want call. So you can take call ambulance. You can carry this girl go hospital. So they call ambulance. So ambulance can come. They can ambulance come because they know this is serious pass waiting with the see. So they can call another the big hospital. So those are called break their ambulance. So they can take carry. They can first physical surgery for the girl. So they can take carry the girl go hospital. So as they can carry the girl go hospital now, then she can't stay. They can remove the baby fast, but the baby not can make her. So they can carry the girl. For the girl can just enter coma. So as the girl enter coma, he say they call this guy. Say this girl dey coma and the daughter you want somebody with the day has together before we go see like torture am, see play with him. He say this boy no come. As they call this guy reach, the guy say he tell the girl before saying get wife. He tell him before saying get wife. He tell am so you know they come he say now the girl come beg that her friend come they beg the boy. Say me use the doctor saying one just come the talk to am so that make she quick recover. Say this boy say like no they come. They do say no they come. Say so now so they can't say forget about the guy. No, they not gonna call him. People call they say so this boy wicked he so. What did this girl just do you rich like that? Where be say you can't just hate her overnight. You even to come rescue her. Even though you even say your enemy even did that kind of situation. Now I tell the girl, say so the guy wicked. Say so this guy not going come. Say so when she come wake up, come thank that her friend, people come hospital, come see her, you know. People really come, the thing can surprise them. So thank God she can't stay alive, but they can't lose the baby. So now so they can't take, that's what she can't take. So after the dog discharge her for hospital, she can't go house. So you can see the guy one day. The guy can't call and say no pick phone. So one day now in the go church, now you see the guy for road. The guy come meet and say now he shout for him, warn him. So because of that one said many of the guy friends, they not even they greet the boy again. If they ever see the boy that they pass and say the boy they wicked, very wicked. For me that tell the guy say this boy they wicked. This boy really they wicked. Which guy go do that kind of thing? Even though you even say your enemy safe, you go see even go help and first. Like lots of girl will put you for house. I tell the guy, what you do the boy wish like that? They say not do him anything. He even surprised for the way the guy they treat him. He say so now she can forget about the guy. So she can move on. Ever since they hear from the guy again, he don't even know where so he can come up for the city. So she can go another place. So thank God for her today. She don't marry with children, everything. So she don't even know whether that kind of person see they even exist again. He says so one day. Now he say somebody they call him say, what in make I can't really bring this topic now. Be say one day he can see say somebody they call her. They tell her say this boy they look for your number. They look for your number. Now you can say what do you need the number for? What in make they look for your number? He say, we want to talk to Rambo, we want beg the girl, make the girl forgive. And the girl say, why you they find out? You know, you can go add the girl for Facebook. So the girl say, come see and say, send a friend request. Because okay, may you just upset and may see what you make and they look for a number. He come upset and the boy come call her for messenger, begin dey beg the girl. The girl come say, no problem, don't forgive you. Maybe they go. He can't rest. He say, so of recent again now. After that time, long time since he don't take since last 2 years, I don't know. He say, so now, he can't surprise now. Say the boy, see they tell people, say me they come beg her again. Say the boy saying they look for a number for everywhere. He can't surprise. Somebody can't give the boy a number. The boy they've call him now. One they beg him now. Say make him forgive him. Say you don't believe say if I forgive him before. So for me, I can't say what you can they make and I can't tell the girl you swear for her. I'm saying no swear. You only cry for the boy. You know, for those pains when they make her pass through all those things. So the thing really pain her way. So he cry, you know. You know sometimes not be only to swear for person. The kind cry where you go cry for person sometimes it go affect him. If you not affect him immediately, but later, it must see him for body. You understand? That we want when people don't understand. So the boy it really do wicked something. You understand? So when she tell me, I say, okay, I will bring a common platform so that make people better may they see advise you whether may you forgive her or may you not forgive her. You see, so the boy now they beg him now, say I beg. He say tell her say he go call him, make you wait, make you fair reason her first. So she now they talk and now say whether may she forgive the boy or may she not forgive the boy. Say because the boy they beg, the boy really they beg. They say make you forgive him, make you forgive him. You don't know I want to go about him again. He don't tell everybody. May they help and beg. He don't know I want to go about his life again. So for me, I can't the reason now. What did they make the boy they beg you like this now? He say your aunt for body. I bet they tell us now you they disturb him. He say he don't know. He don't know what they make the boy they beg. He not just know the thing they surprise him. You know? But some guys say, una own it una body too. You this guy, your own do your body. And you go just even though now your enemy you even hear say he even did that kind of situation. You don't go greet her. Talk less of say a girl wey don put you for house. Wait up una don't enjoy each other like that. Girl wey help you, wait things rough you. Now you feel abandoned like that. But some guys shy una own do una body sha really. Una own do una body really. See so that is a girl wey help you, we put you for house. We be say you know suffer one day. You feel abandoned that kind girl. Now you dey beg for forgiveness. What make you dey beg now? That you go anywhere where they tell you say now the girl they disturb you. I bet you go anywhere where they tell you say now the girl they swear for you for pass. I bet you go anywhere where they tell you say the girl naked swear for you. What make you they beg? They find the girl number for everywhere. Make you beg her. Why? Some guys say, una dey me. You see how why be say this one are lesson to men. This one are very big lesson to una. Because if una they do women, una not they know say it they come for una later. You see that karma what they talk about. Then they make sure say they visit the boy so. Then they visit him. So one they behave well. If you see woman will treat you well, all am well. Don't be say you because of say you want do guy, but if they catch you, you can't treat girl will help you bad. Then tomorrow you can't look for her, you beg for forgiveness. I don't say will not be God. We not go say no go forgive. So for me, I tell the guys say I will do video put. So I see people contribution. So anything you think about this video, just leave your comment for the comment section, please, so that she will go from there. Whether may she forgive the guy or may she not forgive the guy. So now we did now. So that's all this video just reached today. So anything you think about this video, please just leave your comment for the comment section. She go see her and she go know as she go about, and whether make she forgive the guy or make she not forgive the guy. So thank you, everybody. Take care until I come your way next time. I remember your one and only Lady Joe. And I say tell the girl, say, my dear, God don't bless you. You dey okay. You don't marry. He say your husband, he love her well. Thank God, say he even leave the boy. You understand? So everything dey okay for her. So wetin he ask God, make God do for her, what God not do. So wetin she going to carry that kind of person for mind for again? Say not even get time again safe, you know. But he just want me people advise her whether we should forgive her or we should not forgive her, because the boy really hurt her in the past. I know say, you know, say that kind of thing, if you see the girl mind, if the girl remember I did suffer that time, there's no how when even though you know swear come out say all those kind of swear, if you be say he swear for inside mind, you understand. So it dey happen like that too. So thank you, take care everybody, bye. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share this video so that our men will they always use our women anyhow make you reach their hand. So thank you everybody, take care, bye.